Hello fans, welcome to my YouTube channel, King Kelechukwu Kenzo. Today we are going to be discussing chemistry. If you are preparing for WAEC, NECO or JAM, this is the right channel for you to follow. This is a JAM question. This question will not take you more than 2 minutes to solve. Let's go. After we solve this question, you will know the correct answer here. Now, the question says, calculate the mass of anhydrous sodium carbonate required to prepare 250 centimeter cube of 0.010 mole per dm cube of solution. Now, if you look at this, the first thing you need to do is you need to list each parameters that are involved in the equation. Now, cm cube is telling us the thing is volume. That means V is equal to 250 cm cube. Now, this is 0.100 mole per dm cube. Now, when we talk about mole per dm cube, we are referring to molar concentration. If you see mass per dm cube or gram per dm cube, we are referring to what? Mass concentration. But in this case, it is mole per dm cube. So that is molar concentration, and that molar concentration is C, which is 0.100 mole per dm cube. Now, they say we should calculate for the mass. We don't know the mass, which is m. The next thing you need to do is that you need to link the relationship between mole and concentration, which says N is equal to CV. N is equals to CV. But in this case, we don't know the numbers of mole. That means the numbers of mole is equal to concentration times volume. Here, we don't know the mole. That means we need to calculate for the mole. How are we going to calculate for the mole? First of all, before you calculate for the mole, you need to convert this cm cube to dm cube, which means you are going to divide this by 1000. That means 250 centimeter cube divided by what? 1000, which will give you 0.25 dm cube. So this will give you 0.25 dm cube if you use your calculator. Now, N is equal to 0.100 times 0.25. This N is equal to, if you times this by this, it will give you 0.025 mole. Now, when you get this 0.025 mole, this is not the final answer. Now, you begin to think there are a relationship between mole, mass, and molar concentration, which says N is equal to small m all over big M. Now, this is numbers of mole. This small m means reacting mass all over molar mass. The relationship says the numbers of mole is equal to the reacting mass all over molar mass. Now, you make, because you are looking for this mass, you make this mass the subject of your formula, which means m is equal to n times big M. Now, this is molar mass, and the molar mass of the compound is being given to you. Look at the molar mass of the compound, which is 106 gram per mole. Now, the numbers of mole is being known, which means M is equal to 0.025 times 106, which means M is equal to 265 gram. This is the correct answer. So this question will not take more than 2 minutes to solve it in exam 1. Follow us, like this video, share it, you get to know more updates.